If you are completing 100% of the workouts in your training plan, your plan is actually failing you. It sounds insane, but adaptation only happens when you flirt with your limits. If you never miss a session due to fatigue, you aren't stressing the system enough to force growth. The most elite athletes operate on the 80% rule. Completing 80% of a challenging plan yields better results than 100% of an easy one. To build a system that works, we stop looking at individual workouts and start with the math. We need to calculate your required ramp rate. This number tells us exactly how much training stress you must add every week to reach your race day fitness goal without snapping. But here is the trap most self-coached athletes fall into. They treat this ramp rate as a straight line. Linearity works for base building, but it fails for race prep. Depending on your race distance, you need to choose the specific load architecture that matches your physiology. Once you have your model, you need a safety valve. A static PDF plan doesn't know you didn't sleep last night. We need a go/no-go protocol based on your TSB, training stress balance. This decision tree prevents overtraining syndrome before it starts. With the safety valve in place, we construct the microcycle, your weekly rhythm. We don't just spread stress evenly. That creates garbage miles. We polarize the week to ensure your hard days are hard enough to trigger adaptation, and easy days allow that adaptation to take hold. This is your complete system. Calculate the gap, choose the model, adhere to the 80% rule, and let TSB dictate the daily adjustments. You aren't just following a plan anymore. You are managing a biological algorithm. Consistency beats intensity, but flexibility beats consistency. Train smart.